Bosha Yimpa Woguoye Independence Square Chim Squad will representing as a very exciting a manifest on stage. I say, what's up, Mama Kwaba, the YouTube channel, our friend, a fancy YouTuber, and then your first time I share my brother, on your slow movement, but more than subscribe, not hit on the notification bell. Now I'm born come, yen chatuli, I say. Now, yesterday, something went on, BB Extraordinary went on Black Star Line Festival called Accra Independence Square. But I chased the rapper in a vacuum, so one of the no event, you know, the Biara or Shadow Kokodumad. I mean, events in a guy, or there are a lot of international reps and artists back Ghana. Na show in a chede a global citizen show na the next show are big and highly rated chede a brochifun woman chede or ye Black Star Line Festival intended that giddy even though ye free events but and that process be or holiday din your tickets na a man for when you lie na till there events and starting, and when you're feeling so a lot of people were rushing to festival now say well Independence Square they will bring a ticket into Oma and why you tight to double p na hwanyimpa wogua I say onye easy until we had a lot of people performing Darko Vibes, Kwesiata, Manifest, Stonebwoy, Sarkodie. Me were accepting me were tapes in bi videos in bi ha me bombers are show and a wet nyamo kodo wo honi na me catch Asaka Boys and what you was in a I mean, one of the highlights of the events, you know, the Kumasi Asaka Boys. Now it was very fantastic. What performance I say. A man for check one too much. Now Sarkodie any security and now Ghana Army wonya. I mean, crisscross, crispy. Or yeah, Tomamonto. On some address the mission, but for now, no, many images of another videos of maybe your call or hundred. Na the discussion here that shadow. I have a fancy YouTube, I have no fancy cassan to film. You explaining maybe more. Eta see inti more coding. Accepting be. Bosha Yimpa Woguoye Independence Square Chim Squad will representing as a very exciting a manifest on stage, manifest dot and I try to let's say what I do. I'm about to feel the bad because I say manifest the way we reach you outside the show. See that was more called over the yeah, man. Manifesting or say stage, you know them. I believe the check more call them. Yeah, man. It's in Marco 100 and Nina, you may be actual. But one artist to so say stage, my man for feeling here, Kwesiata. A man for win was stage, you know, Kwesiata son a performance and or code, or no share highlights in it. I said a brand a little grand in Asaka Boy said it's on a what's okay, so just a general highlights of Sarkodie, but I some crying or a big surprise in there. T-Pain represents now what T-Pain so that why you made T-Pain one international artist people they feel I'm out for check T-Pain pa also be say stage and then amanfo enwaje ono so ma bro except na kakro na ni T-Pain or sell whole stage and that nti you know a big time events all the draw all the hits all I win hey girl what's your name na Chris Rock even as be at T-Pain or a show. It was a wonderful event yesterday night at Independence Square. In Tisentuma and Kobia and Tuma and Shebia highlighting pa yeah man in Tuma and Kobia highlighting yes. But one more thing I'm a discuss your Stoneboy in a performance. Extraordinary. Beam. It's a Stoneboy in a performance in the say Black Star Line in the yo massive na beam nation for the one project do okodo basa proper performances in a day and a Stoneboy chimo. Yeah, cherry the man that the show no one yeah show na anya crown show na flop bet just to be Boston boy in a performance and I enjoy your brother Sarkodie stage obede number one. I mean obia no common reason was about Sarkodie and a performance and on stage from beginning to end and all yeah jam on even though there onye security fooling ya 1 or 2 maybe I would address that issue. I have the videos here, we'll talk about that, but for now on the Yansha Sarkodie any performance and the danoye massive. That's right. So that was Sarkodie and a performance and the energy was top notch. Obey number one MC on a Sark Nation for anthem and people feel am. But the issue I na man for one here. Look at Sarkodie all roaming entrance and then it be like some small issues there with him and the securities. You know exactly more called bet. I say in a scene in look too pleasant. Bosha, let me. Yes, Bosha, Sarkodie, only room in our Otsanaka, Limina, or pedal room, where be like the military people or the army people say they don't go allow and make you enter within car because it looks like then. What should I identify in a year or a Sarkodie who is built to perform for the night? In security, on your black nana, the other guy, I've forgotten his name. On your military funia confusion, kakra. Yes, or in military funia confusion, be brave, way, challenge. That be what they go on for there. But me problem, I'm a worker crying there. Ghana military for they do great job. They do great job, but sometimes you guys for have patience because sebi in here and you understand. Because I know they see why army man for clock gun just because of a mere understanding at a concert with an arty security. A clock gun is okay, they go shoot too. You understand? These things really know the vibe, you know they go on. You see, American, it's hardly for you to see the military people in the midst of the citizens. There's such them events now. There were the professional hands, police for no they will handle, and was top notch. So I say more calling that our Black Star Line in if you first time I reach the channel in that better subscribe to channel then turn up more yema as on your face yema on your kese now people with they enjoy the fancy vibe and they go have a lot to do enjoy nazi. So my name is Paco yeah able to my hate up on social media now but for now I say or you turn up or you want to